Imagine having an examination in 1 week, several lecture materials to cover, to study, to read, and you have no idea of where to start. You have the materials, you have the motivation, but the problem is understanding the information and organizing your learning. This is a common problem for university students. My name is Ezekiel Godwin, and my content-based digital product is called StudyMate AI. StudyMate AI is a digital learning service designed to help students, designed to help university students understand their academic materials through simple explanation, summaries, and study questions and other useful educational content. University student deals with large amount of academic information every semester. Lecture notes, textbooks, presentation, assignment, and other learning materials can be overwhelming, especially when students have several courses to study at the same time. One major problem is that academic materials are not always easy to understand. A student may read several pages of a lecture material and still struggle to understand the main idea. Another problem is time. Students often spend a lot of time searching for simple explanation, summarizing material, creating revision notes, and preparing themselves for exams. There is there is also the problem of limited academic support. Not every student has access to a personal or a private tutor or someone who can explain a difficult topic whenever they need help. Because of this challenge, students can become stressed, waste valuable study time, and sometimes prepare poorly for an examination. The problem, therefore, is not necessarily that students do not want to learn. The problem is that they need a simpler and more accessible way to understand and work with their academic content. StudyMate AI is my proposed solution to this problem. It is a content-based digital study service that uses artificial intelligence to help students interact with their academic materials in a simple way. The idea is very straightforward. A student provide their lecture materials or select topics they are studying or they want to study. StudyMate AI then helps transform that 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 academic information into useful learning content. For example, a difficult topic can be explained using simple English. A long lecture material can be converted into a shorter summary containing important content. The student can also generate practice questions from the materials and use them to test their understanding. Instead of simply giving students information, StudyMate AI focuses on transforming existing academic content into different forms that make learning easier. For example, one lecture topic could become a simple explanation, a summary, revision question, and a short study guide. This makes the content more useful and easier for students to interact with. The service can also allow students to ask follow-up questions when they do not understand something. The goal is not to replace the student effort or encourage students to avoid studying. No, that's not our goal. The goal here is to provide support that helps students understand what they are studying. StudyMate AI can therefore serve as a digital study companion that is available whenever a student needs help with learning materials. For StudyMate AI to operate as a business, it needs a sustainable way to generate income. The main monetization strategy will be freemium model, not premium, freemium. Under this model, students will be able to access basic StudyMate AI features for free. This could include this could include basic explanations, limited summaries, and limited number of practice questions. Students who need more advanced features will subscribe to a premium plan. The premium plan could provide access to larger academic documents, more detailed summaries, personalized study support, unlimited practice questions, and additional learning features. This approach allows students to try the services before deciding whether they want to pay for the additional features or not. Another source of revenue will be institutional partnership. Universities, private learning centers, and educational organizations will subscribe to StudyMate AI and provide access to their students. Very straightforward. This creates a second source of income and allows the service to reach many students at once. StudyMate AI will also generate revenue through educational partnership and through carefully selected sponsorship that are relevant to students. However, the business will focus mainly on subscriptions and institutional partnership because these can provide more predictable long-term revenue. The monetization strategy is therefore designed to keep the basic services accessible while generating enough income to and improve the platform. Maintain and improve the platform. The brand name is StudyMate AI. The name combines two important ideas: studying and having a helpful companion. The brand represents simplicity, accessibility, learning, and intelligent technology. StudyMate AI is designed primarily for university students who want a simpler way to understand and organize their academic content. The brand personality will be friendly, intelligent, modern, and trustworthy. It should not feel like a complicated technology product. Instead, it should feel like a helpful academic companion that students can rely on when they are struggling with a topic. The visual identity will use a clean and modern educational technology style. The communication style will also use simple and understandable language because the purpose of the brand is to make learning easier, not more complicated. The brand main message is simple: study smarter, understand better. The identity of StudyMate AI will therefore connect artificial intelligence with practical student learning. Connect artificial intelligence with practical student learning. It will show students that AI can be used responsibly as a tool for understanding and improving their learning process. For StudyMate AI to succeed in the long term, it must continue providing useful content and improving its services as students need change. The first part of sustainability plan is continuous improvement. Artificial intelligence technology is developing rapidly. So StudyMate AI. So StudyMate AI will need to regularly improve its features and learning experience. The service will also need to collect appropriate user feedback to understand what students find useful and what needs improvement. Another important part of sustainability is content quality. StudyMate AI must provide useful and reliable educational content. Students should be encouraged to compare important information with their official lecture materials, textbook, textbooks, and lecturers because AI generated information can sometimes contain mistakes. Privacy and responsible use of student information will be important. Academic materials and personal information provide academic materials and personal information provided by users must be handled responsibly and protected appropriately. The business will also maintain sustainability through its different revenue source. Student subscription can provide student subscription can provide regular income, while partnership with universities and educational centers can provide larger institutional revenue. As the service grow, more educational content and features can be introduced based on actual student needs. A business can also expand beyond one university and eventually serve students across different universities and academic disciplines. This gives StudyMate AI the potential to grow while still focusing on its original purpose. Most importantly, sustainability will depend on maintaining the trust of students. The trust of students. If students find the service genuinely helpful, useful, easy to use, affordable, and reliable, they are more likely to continue using it and recommend it to other students. In conclusion, StudyMate AI is a content-based digital service created to address a real problem faced by university students. The problem is that students often struggle with large amount of difficult academic content, limited study time, and limited access to personal academic support. The solution is a digital study assistant that transforms academic materials into simpler explanation, summaries, practice questions, and other useful learning content. Its monetization strategy will combine a freemium subscription model with institutional partnership. Its brand identity will focus on being simple, intelligent, friendly, modern, and trustworthy. Its sustainability plan will focus on continuous improvement, quality, educational content, responsible use of technology, user trust, and multiple revenue sources. StudyMate AI is not designed to replace lecturers or replace the effort of students. No, it is designed to support students by making the learning process simpler, more manageable, more manageable. The idea behind StudyMate AI is simple. Whenever students understand their learning material better, they can actually study better. And when technology is used responsibly, artificial intelligence can become more than just a tool for generating answers. It can become a tool for helping people learn. Thank you.